Many folks ain't never heard of me, so I'ma introduce myself by using some hyperboles. I am that voice that talks a tongue, but no one chatters back. They rather act like Blatt is acting spaz on rappers. Matter of fact, that's so real, I can't say psych nah yet. Feelings that I caught made me feel that caution. Waiting for the day I get the silence I deserve. So I ain't talking oxen when I say I just wanna be heard. It seems like everywhere I go, everybody there trying to steal the show. So I'm here with my plan. I gotta let him hear who I am.
I wanna show that now's our time. Today is my day to make you say dang, cause I'm getting my way. It's my time to shine and it's okay.
Man, I'm finally getting this show. I can spit it raw. Zizzy, y'all. In case you didn't know me, let me tell you, it's a rap. Like I'm sick of eating hoagies. They try to lock this top notch down on the low key and provoke me. I stick my tongue at them. Like Yoshi, I got to show people I can come up and swag. And